Okay, so remember how we've all been waiting forever to hear anything about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, like actually waiting. The last time we got even a crumb of info was back in February, and then radio silence. But now, finally, we've got something to talk about. The Mini 5 Pro has officially been spotted in the wild, right on the streets of China. And yep, this leak comes from Jasper Ellens via Drone XL, so it's not just some random rumor, this one looks solid. The big takeaway, DJI is out there testing this little guy, and it's starting to look more and more like a summer 2025 launch is happening. Let's rewind a bit though, because this whole thing started back in December. That's when we got our very first glimpse of the Mini 5 Pro, and even from that early leak, things looked different. For starters, the motors looked chunkier than what we saw on the Mini 4 Pro. Bigger motors usually mean more power, and more power usually means a redesign, so there's a good chance DJI is cooking up a full overhaul with this one. Now here's the big question, can they still keep it under 250 grams? That's kind of the whole thing with the Mini series, right? Super light, no registration in most places, but if they're beefing things up, LiDAR, larger motors, possibly a more powerful camera, can they still squeeze all that tech under the weight limit? Speaking of the camera, the new photo shows what looks like an even bigger sensor than the one in that first leak. So now we're all staring at this thing thinking, okay, is this the final version, or is DJI just taking another prototype out for a spin? And yeah, what's the deal with the prop guards? That's something we didn't see in earlier images, so is this just a testing precaution in case it faceplants into a tree? Or could this be an accessory similar to what Mini 4 Pro has? You be the judge. In terms of release dates, everyone's super focused on the Mavic 4 Pro right now, and that hype is totally valid. It could drop any week. But for the Mini 5 Pro, we're probably looking at August or September 2025. So yeah, there's still a bit of a wait, but if this latest leak tells us anything, it's that DJI is deep into testing and something seriously exciting is coming soon. All right, that's it for this one. Catch you in the next video. Peace.